Friends, you're welcome back to our video for today. So in this video, I want to talk about Memefi. Memefi will be listing on just exactly a week today. That is on October 9th. Today is 2nd. So I want to show you how to increase your levels fast and other things you need to, take higher to get enough, reward during the distribution. Memefi has already indicated that one, your level will matter, and also the time you joined will also matter, because those who were started earlier, they are going to reward them, and then your level matters too. Now, I want to show you. Of a truth, I joined Memefi for a long time, but at the time I lost interest on them, and not only that, even when I regained interest, the network I was using I was having problem accessing Memefi, so I was confused. I abandoned it. At that moment, I was at level 4, but now because of this strategy, I'm now at level 7. You can see here, that's level 7 instantly. So that's exactly what I want to show you, how you can do this. But before I do that, let me claim this my booster mining, and that's another thing. Please, 129,000 is okay. Always go to this booster very fast, very important. Go activate that bot if you have not activated it, because in fact this is another thing they are going to look at. Do you activated this? So activate it. In 3 hours, you are started running. In 3 hours time, I will claim that amount. So don't forget to do that. Now, one of those key things, apart from if you go to the end area, you see all those videos. Let me show you before I go to the main thing. These are things, this quest. And if you also said, you see this quest, they're also going to consider this quest when they start paying. If you go, network is dragging a bit, but if I'm to get this in, okay, you can see, you see these videos. You see these videos. I'm going to watch all of them between today and tomorrow. These videos, watch all of them. One of these things, something some of us will understand. Remember, when you are watching these videos, you are helping them to make money on YouTube, so they don't joke with it. Why they reward you for watching these videos? They see it as one of the best ways you are supporting them, because the video you're watching from their channels is also money. They are making money from it. So they cannot, take it from you if you are not watching videos from them. You may join all those other groups, all those other questions, like join this group, have this thing. But when it comes to anything that benefits them directly, they want you to do it. And that is what they reward. Every of these programs, they don't joke with that. And so that's why this area is important. Please watch these videos. Very important. And one thing about Memefi video is not like a tap swap that asks you must watch for 15 minutes before you do anything. Even if you watch a little, maybe 1 minute or so, you can still come and claim your points. Now let me show you the real cocoa, or what we're saying, the thing that will help you to gain maximum ground from this project. Now look at this area, please. Do you see this? This is spin. This is spin. Now, if you look at, I'm on level 7 here, am I right? This level 7, for me to upgrade to level 8, I need 8 million coins. I've already done 3 point something million, remaining 4. What you see here, 4 point something million, means I need to clear it before this big man here goes off to take me to level 8. But if you depend on tapping, my brother, the next say you've not done this. But let me show you. You're going to watch me now. Just watch. I'll look at 4459. Let me go to that spin and show you what to do. By the time we'll start this spin, now to make this spin work, for you to be spinning, you click on spin. You understand? You click on again, but don't just do that. Hold on to this spin, and now it should be automatically happening. It's happening now. This thing can be bringing good for you. It can be bringing a lot of it. Can be there are so many things it brings. So many things. Some of them are what kills that soldier there that is disturbing your movement progress. So many things happening. Are you getting it? The spin energy, the booster, increasing everything. So don't joke with it. This thing, mind it. Just watch it. After, I'm going to go back. That 4 point something million remaining, you're going to see what will remain there. Just watch. In the next one, let's say 20 seconds, we're going to go back there. Just watch. Now you could see that after the spinning, I now have this remaining 2 point something. Remember, it was 4 points before, so it has reduced. Another way you can reduce this, you understand, apart from that, I still have enough. I still have up to 4,957 spins to make. So definitely I'm going to, before 10th or 9th, this coin will be listing. I'll definitely reach level 10. I will do that. So these are things that are going to help me to do that. Now, apart from that, another area you can do this is if you go to booster. Let me show you. You know, if I'm tapping this now, see, I'm just tapping on 5 tap. But if I go to booster now, let me go and claim this what my tab bot has regenerated. I claim it. So I activate another tab bot to start claiming. Then I go to turbo. This turbo now, normally the system gives you 3. But why do I have 573 here? Because some of them were gotten from that same spinning I'm doing. So you can win turbo from that spinning. So now when I claim on both, watch what happens. Now watch this. You see this thing I'm touching. Once it activates, you're going to see what will happen here. No, let me get it back to this place. Okay, see it. I'm now mining times 10. This 50-50. Yeah, look at it. You'll be seeing these signs that look like rainbow. So if I'm mining at this stage, it's faster. So I'll be reducing this balance. That will finally take me to the next level. You see it. So even if this one stop now, I can go there and click on that booster because I have it no much. Say I have more than 500. If you don't win it through spins, you can only have 3 in a day, which is not too bad. But if you are doing spinning, you can also win some of these things. And this is exactly how to quickly reduce the strength of this and go over to new levels. Remember, that's exactly what we are looking at. How to go to new levels. So this is exactly how to do this. So try to do this, increase your levels before the night, the listing dates coming on night. This must be your target. It shouldn't just be settling for less. That's why sometimes when these coins are distributed, somebody may be complaining. Why at the same time you're complaining, someone has earned so much. It happens. Please do your best to be among those who receive much during distribution. So I'm going to stop this video at this point. If you are new to our channel, do it, subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, share it so that others can benefit from it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.